Alright, so we're back with another Supreme drop list. This is week 17, dropping this Thursday, June 21st, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can calculate what that will be for you, but this week is highlighted by the Supreme Vans collaboration, which will be 2 pairs of sneakers coming in a couple different colorways, and then also the sunglasses. And we'll get into the other stuff dropping. As you can see down here, we got the jet ski. So I'll talk a little bit more about that. And yeah, I think coming up maybe next week or in a couple weeks, we'll probably see another round of seasonal tees, the like summer ones or whatever they call it. I think they usually do a later drop in the season as well. But to jump into it, we've got the 5 Boroughs towel, which got that classic Supreme spell out. And then we have the boroughs of New York, or whatever I think that's just like technically New York boroughs: Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, and Staten Island. But I think it's a cool towel. I'm not sure if it just comes in this one colorway. Not that it needs another colorway. I feel like I see them pair like this type of stuff. They do like a white on purple would be another one that you probably see a lot from Supreme. But yeah, it's a cool towel. Probably going to be dumb expensive though. Their towels, from what I remember, are usually pretty pricey. And another thing that's going to be really expensive, if it's not friends and family only, is going to be this Sea-Doo. So this is the Spark Tricks, I guess. And yeah, this thing's wild. I think we actually might have talked about it last week. Like it was on the drop list for last week or whatever. Maybe like 2 weeks ago. I forget exactly when we did that. But yeah, this is a wild piece. And it's going to be dumb expensive if it is available in store. If it is, it'll probably only be a US exclusive. I think they usually do that for the bigger items. So this is crazy though. I think it looks cool. The branding on it is pretty cool. Usually when they do the big accessories like this, they'll do just like red and then have the Supreme branding. You know, I'm thinking about things like the Honda motorcycle that they released last year, I think. And that collection. But yeah, this Sea-Doo's crazy. I like the branding you got going on the seat, which I think is cool. Got it up on the front as well, and then this all over pattern that I think they've done on like a work jacket and then maybe some work pants as well. So pretty cool. Good upvote ratio. People are liking that. Moving forward, we have this like porcelain Royal Delft 190 Bowery beer mug. So looking nice. I know they released something similar to this, some other like porcelain type piece that was dumb expensive, like just ridiculously expensive. It was like 2-3 grand, I thought, or something like that. So if this is the same like manufacturer or whatever, it expected to be expensive, but it looks nice. It is a nice piece, I will say. We also have the bandana crushers dropping, which, you know, I think these match a lot of the Paisley Bogos that they did last season or 2 seasons ago. Not bad at all. Supreme branding, you just got this like little tab. There might be Supreme written into the Paisley pattern too. We can take a closer look. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Looks like it is denim though. I'm not sure if that was in the title or not, but yeah, bandana crusher, and it looks like it's denim. So yeah, not a bad piece. Decent upvotes. We have the small box crew neck, and then also the sweat short, so you can get that full sweat set. But as far as the colorways are going, I don't know, pretty mediocre. I will say this floral one though is kind of interesting, right here. Yeah, definitely supposed to be floral. You got like some roses here. Looks like it's done in a water paint, like watercolor style. So I think that's kind of cool. Shorts are decent too, but I think the tops are maybe a little bit better. All right, we also have an unseen Gone Star Camp cap. So that'll be like the 5-panel camp caps that we usually see. Not sure what the design is going to look like. And then getting into the sunglasses, we have the Brooks glasses. And I'll just say, like, I've never been a fan of like any of the Supreme sunglasses. They're always missing to me. Like, in my opinion, I'm not really ever caring for any of them. So this one especially, like, I would not rank this one high. It looks whack in my opinion. We have the cargo water short, which I thought the camo colorway was a little bit interesting. Not really feeling the other ones, but I still went cop this. It looks like it is a mossy oak pattern that they use, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure how I would make this better. Maybe it's the tree bark is too much. Maybe if they just got rid of that, did like a white background or something, look a little bit better. I don't know, but yeah, it had potential. And then we have the Twill Crusher, which this is actually the same pattern that we're going to see on the Vans that are dropping. I don't think we've seen all of the colorways for the Vans either. There actually aren't even official images. We're going to look at an article from like Hypebeast or something like that to check out the images shortly here. But this is what it's going to look like. We got the S logo that Supreme does a lot. You know, we got the S logo tees, hoodies that they're always doing, the hats too. So it's kind of like a chain where it reverses. I'm sure you guys can see, but yeah, I think the shoes at least are coming in this yellow or like golden color. We also have it in the red and then black as well, I believe, are the three that they're doing. I'm not sure if they're doing more. I think it might just be those three though. But yeah, this Crusher, it's reversible. I can respect that, but all right, I believe it's reversible anyway. But other than that, it's like I don't know. I'm not really feeling the S chain. Moving into more of the sunglasses, we have the Vega sunglasses, which pretty vanilla. We also have the downtown sunglasses, which these are actually my favorite ones. I'm a fan of the circular sunglasses, but I saw a picture of this on a model and they looked super small, like like some swim goggles or something. I think, you know, if they made these bigger, it'd be really cool, but yeah, they look super small on the guy. And my favorite colorway, probably this red one. I'm not really feeling the transparent ones. These ones are all right, the like turtle or whatever they usually call those. But the red and the black, probably my favorite. If I had to pick one, I'd probably go for the black. But man, the image, that the like lookbook image or whatever, the one on the model, they looked tiny. So moving forward, we have the patched denim painter pant. And they've done this patched stuff before. I don't know. It looks ugly. IMO. Got the gold top sunglasses looking funky. Makes it like really rectangular with this like almost straight horizontal bar on the top. But you have this continuous Supreme branding going across, which is kind of cool, but I don't really think it looks cool. Like I can respect the idea of it. And the bar itself is kind of cool, but positioning and everything, not really feeling it. Like if they did this circular around the lenses, that'd be cool, like around both of them. Or if they just moved it to the side and did it going along the side, that'd be cool. But straight up on the top, I don't know. Kind of looks like a ruler with how it's like embossed or like impressed inside, set back a little bit from the edge. Anyway, we also have the Beetle short sleeve shirt. I don't know, man. It's a Beetle patch denim vest. I'm not feeling this patch denim stuff. And then the Beetle short, which these are bad. These are really bad. Yeah, those are really bad. Anyway, moving into the Vans, like we talked about, there's this collaboration happening. We got the Skate High and then the Era, which usually what we're going to get from Vans collaborations with Supreme. We get the Skate High a lot, the Era a lot, and then we also get the mid, the like Chukka or something, or like the Chuck, I don't know. Oh no, the half cab, I think it's called. Maybe they do the other one too, I don't know. But yeah, I think they do the half cab a decent amount, but yeah, Skate High is probably the number one contender that we get all the time. And then the Eras or like some version of the lows also. So this is what we're getting this time around. I think the red actually looks decent, even though I'm not the biggest fan of this like S chain that they got going on. I don't know. I do like the Skate High one because it breaks it up at least a little bit more on the back. Like on the heel, you're going to get this red panel as well, like color blocking going on. Whereas on the Era, just all over print. So I don't know if I'm feeling that as much. Skate Highs too are pretty comfortable in my opinion. But yeah, we got the red colorway. There's some other leaks. I don't know if we've seen like actual in-hand leaks of the other colorways. or just mock-ups. But like I said, we got that yellow one dropping, and then they have black ones as well. So those are going to be coming up this Thursday. Let me know what you guys think of the drop. Are you going for it? Do you like the Vans? Are you going for that jet ski? As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.